of our reporters spread across different parts of Bihar, covering phase 121 constituencies that are up for grabs in this particular phase. Amit Bharadwaj is live with us. We also have Maushmi Singh. Maushmi, good morning. Take us through exactly where you are. What's the situation there?
Akshita, very good morning. I will ask you, Kaisan Bani.
I only know one line in Bhojpuri, Ka Hal Ba. I know nothing else, Maushmi.
I wouldn't know much either, but you know, I'm in the Bhojpuri belt. I'm here in Chhapra, and you know, one candidate who's a rage in Bhojpuri films is Khesari Lal Yadav. He's contesting elections from here. He's taken that plunge after his wife couldn't contest. Her name was not there in the voters list. This is the booth. I'm told that Khesari Lal Yadav will actually come to cast his vote. And we are in Rasulpur in this Bunyadi Vidyalaya, where you can see that the voters are queuing up in the morning. There is a big line, strangely though, that I don't find a women's line here. Mostly male members perhaps have come out, and the women will finish their morning chores and then come out. I'm keeping my fingers crossed on that one. But interesting power play here, Akshita. You see that Khesari Lal Yadav is pitted against Choti Kumari of the BJP, who is a local Karyakarta. And, you know, interesting is the game because Jan Swaraj has pitted an IPS officer, Jaiprakash Singh, on the other side. And the fourth player in this entire game is Rakhi Gupta, who is from the BJP, has turned a rebel, is quite popular, I'm told, in this constituency. And she was seeking a ticket. So two women who are you know, contesting against each other here in the game. Then again, two other candidates. And Khesari Lal Yadav, the entire campaign has been hovering around him. We'll have to wait and see whether this celebrity also gets an entry into politics. But clearly, you know, a lot of eyes on this seat, which has always been, you know, either Rajput or Yadav candidate has won elections here. It's been, you know, quite distant from the RJD for quite a while. It's the BJP bastion now. So we'll have to wait and see whether Khesari Lal Yadav can turn the tables.
You know, from where I come from, Maushmi, there's no dearth of superstars in politics. Let's see if that's the case in Bihar as well. All right, images are on your screens right now of Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Vijay Sinha, also casting his vote. He is, in fact, contesting from the Lakhisarai seat. He had also sought divine intervention earlier this morning, conducting a puja, visuals of which we were also showing you earlier. But out bright early in the morning to cast their vote, most netas choose to do that because that's when you don't see all of the craze of the voters gathering in large numbers and then having to wait in a long queue. But it also sets the right example for so many people out there to get out and cast their vote. Like I said, the voter turnout in Bihar, just about 56%. We're hoping and counting that this time Bihar comes out in large numbers and we see a much stronger, healthier voter turnout as well. So those images on your screens from Lakhisarai of Vijay Sinha casting his vote. Gaurav is also with us on this broadcast. Gaurav, phase 1, you know, while many would say that it is a crucial test for the Mahagathbandhan, there are so many high-profile candidates in this particular phase. You know, we're showing right now the Deputy Chief Minister, Vijay Sinha, his colleague, Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary's fate is also being sealed today. Tejasvi Yadav, his brother Tej Pratap, all up in the fray today.
Indeed. So you have two deputy chief ministers.
My apologies, Gaurav. We're just going to cut across live to Vijay.
और यही लोकतंत्र का महापर्व गरीबों के घर से हमारे जैसे बूथ पर बैठने वाला कार्यकर्ता आज अपना वोट के माध्यम से देश का हम प्रधानमंत्री और बिहार का मुख्यमंत्री बनाते हैं।
तो क्या जिस तरह से यहाँ पे वोटिंग शुरू हो चुका, क्या रिस्पांस मिल रहा है पूरे बिहार में आपके कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में?
पूरी तरह से हर बिहारी सब पर भारी गौरवान्वित होने का। अब बिहारी गाली नहीं बनेगा, बिहारी गौरवान्वित होगा और बिहारी को गाली बनाने वाला अराजकता, जंगल राज से गुंडा राज ले जाने वाले से मुक्ति आज बिहार पाएगा। निश्चित तौर पर पूरी शांति, देखिए कितना शांति सुलभता के साथ इस लोकतंत्र के महापर्व में हमने पहले भी आग्रह किया। हमारा नेता, देश के प्रधानमंत्री, गृह मंत्री, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष, बिहार के मुख्यमंत्री, सबने कहा कि जैसे हम लोक आस्था के महापर्व मनाए हैं, वैसे ही लोकतंत्र के महापर्व में सबकी भागीदारी सामाजिक सौहार्द के साथ। मैं तो कहूंगा कि जिस शुद्धता पवित्रता से आपने लोक आस्था के महापर्व को मनाया, उसी पवित्रता, शुद्धता, सामाजिक सौहार्द के साथ लोकतंत्र के महापर्व में भागीदारी सबको करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये बिहार के चुनाव में सरकार बनाने के लिए नहीं, ये बिहार बनाने के लिए है, बिहार का सम्मान बढ़ाने के लिए है और हर लोकतंत्र की ये जननी को गौरवान्वित करने का है। इसलिए हर बिहारी, सबकी भागीदारी हो इसमें।
महागठबंधन राहुल गांधी जी ने लगातार जिस तरह से प्रचार किया है, पहला चरण का चुनाव लगभग प्रचार हो गया, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? अपोजिशन लगातार जिस तरह से
ये दोनों राहुल गांधी जी और तेजस्वी यादव जी अनुकंपा की राजनीति कर रहे हैं। अपनी इनकी पहचान नहीं है, माता पिता अपने परिवार के उपलब्धियों पर अपनी ये राजनीति कर रहे हैं और राजनीति को इन्होंने जागीर समझ लिया है। डॉक्टर बाबा भीमराव अंबेडकर साहब ने कहा था कि रानी के पेट से राजा पैदा नहीं होगा। बिहार की धरती ये साबित करेगा कि अब रानी के पेट से राजा पैदा नहीं होगा। जो जमीन पर काम करेगा, मेहनत करेगा, पसीना बहाएगा, चरित्र की राजनीति करेगा, वो सेवक के रूप में काम करेगा।
So that's Vijay Sinha there expressing confidence that the NDA has the edge in the Bihar battle. This is an interesting election. You know, our reporters on the ground have been saying very clearly that there's no wave evident in Bihar, which is what makes it so interesting. Essentially meaning that the kind of results that we saw in 2020, where it was very, very close between the NDA and the Mahagathbandhan, we could be seeing a repeat of that this time around too. Those are images on your screens of Maithili Thakur from Alinagar.